Well, it's another beautiful day here, and my completed back deck decor video is here. I'm going to give you a little tour here of my completed back deck makeover part 2. Starting with this valance on the awning. Now, unfortunately, the valance did not do well. I had replaced this about 3 years ago, and the valance was actually torn to shreds, just as bad as the one I replaced it with. And I could not find just the valance to replace it. I could buy the whole replacement fabric part of it for $150, but the rest of it's fine. So I just got some fabric from a fabric land, and I made this new valance for it, and I will be taking that off before winter so it doesn't have the same fate as the last one. I brought my old rug up. It's not that old. I've only had it a few years. The same with the table and chairs, and that's the same. I haven't changed that. But I'd forgotten what it looked like, actually, and it is a gray stripe. It's not the same gray stripe as the awning, but it kind of goes. And I did get a new doormat here, which is also gray and white stripe, but not the same gray. So that kind of goes together. In the corner here, I brought this little accent table up. I had used it as an end table before. On the bottom shelf, I just have a little vase with some fake flowers. And on the top here, I'm trying to grow some herbs. Don't know how well that's going to go, but I'm trying. What else have we got here? So I kept my decor very simple because it's not a big space, and budget being what it is, you don't want to be spending a lot of money. You don't have to. That placemat in the center I got from a dollar store years ago. The lantern there is a battery operated one. I'd been given another one, and then I found 2 more identical to it. So one of them I've used here, and one of them I've used in my guest suite patio. And that's a little citronella candle that is supposed to help repel mosquitoes as well. Now, one thing I did buy new is these cushions. I've got the 2 big daisy ones on the end things, and I've got the striped lumbar cushions for the other ones. And I have sat in them with the cushions there, and they have been pretty comfortable. But if people don't like it, they can move it, and I'll probably be removing this when it rains too. I still have my little angel fountain thing here. I put some fake vine leaves there. I may change that out eventually, but for now, that's what I'm doing there. I'd already painted the lantern here a kind of like a rose gold bronze color. And I also repainted this, sorry Misha, this horse hook here. I use this to hang up my barbecue cover when I am barbecuing. And yeah, works out perfect for that. And I also got a new planter here. Actually, it's not new, but I reused an old hanging planter from last year and just replanted some petunias yesterday, and I'm hoping it'll, fill up the whole basket eventually, which I think it will, but I only planted that yesterday. I bought the hook there from a dollar store for like $2 or something like that. So that is it for my back deck decor video. I hope you enjoyed this, got some ideas, and there's Misha. And are you gonna say hello? are you going to take off? You're being shy. Yeah, Misha's being shy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.